Hi everyone, I'm Charles Farad from Kakuma Refugee Camp. Today I want to show you our permaculture project. If you can see here, we have more vegetables in our garden, and this is so great for us here because Kakuma is located in a desert climate. But we put our effort to make sure we grow something here able to provide food to our vulnerable communities. So I'm so happy with these guys who made this program to be very successful, and we hope very soon we'll have some food from our gardens, and this food will help more people, will feed more people here in Kakuma Refugee Camp. So have a nice day, and I wish you to be in touch with us. We can keep to update you everything is going on in our program. Thanks so much. And this is another new project that we have. We still arrange some bottles, and these bottles will be arranged and planted inside some vegetables as our permaculture design. So if you can see here, the guy is cutting some bottles. You can see here. After that, we'll arrange it to become like this. But we need to get some support, able to push out to get some seeds and some basic tools able to push us in this project to become a reality. Thanks so much, and I wish you to have a nice day, and thank you and welcome.